Hey everybody, how's it going? My 2018 Honda Accord, and today's mod, I'm going to be doing a Audi style brake light, which is basically going to light up from here all across over there. Okay, this right here is the item that I purchased on eBay. I believe it's a 40-inch. So basically it's going to be like this, but inside of the car. I'm just going to wire it only for the brake light. There's like different wiring. You could do like showroom style lighting, but I don't want to do that. I just want to keep it simple and clean. So I'm gonna start on it right now. So what I did is I took a wire and I followed it all the way to the back. As you can see, I don't think you can see it from here, but I followed it all the way to the back, and it comes out right over there. That's exactly where I want it to be, so I could wire the pieces to the brake light, and I don't have to remove any panels, which is the best part. So I'm gonna show you the process, what I gotta do, which is fairly easy. So it came through. So the next step I have to do is now I gotta make sure all this access wire goes all the way up here. Okay, so I went ahead and started. All I have to do is just slide my finger all the way in there, just like that. Now it's time to install the lights. These lights come with 3M tape, so what you want to do next before installing it is cleaning where you're going to apply the 3M. This job was easier than I thought, so let me not get my hopes up. Okay, now it's installed. I don't think you guys can see it because it's dark, but finally installed. Now I have to wire the module into the brake lights, and you just go ahead and I'm going to connect this piece, and then I'm going to get wire ties and tie this around, and then we're good to go. Okay, I put the module in its place. Now all I have to do is finish wiring, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like from the outside. Now it's time for the fun part, wiring it up. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys what it's going to look like. So there you have it. This is how it's gonna look like. So let me know what you guys think about that. Like, subscribe, follow my channel if you like these contents that I be showing you. Alright, this is Haitian and I'm out.